Shit. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Arushi, and in this video I'm actually gonna try out
TikTok.
And yeah, you can see my hair are so oily. I have bare face. I'm not even putting any moisturizer. So I'm gonna get ready using all the TikTok makeup hacks. Do let me know in the comment box what was your favorite hack after you watch whole of the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. This hack's gonna work, then it will be like amazing, and if it doesn't work, then it's really gonna be messy. That's why I'm starting off with this. So I have take this palette and I'm gonna use this dark brown eyeshadow with the help of a brush and just go like this. So I'm gonna take wet wipe. So guys, this is how my brow looks after I have filled it, and this is my original brow, and this is after the hack is applied. So I think this is a great option, especially for beginners who like don't know how to fill brow and just go it on. But one thing is, when you like wipe it off with a wipe, then it's really difficult to wipe it off, and it's really harsh on your skin, and my skin is kind of burning right now. And don't ever do this hack after you have applied the base makeup. So that's why I have started with the eyebrow hack first. This hack is like great for beginners, no doubt on that. So I'm gonna give this hack 8 out of 10. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly do this brow and get back on with my brows. So I am actually gonna move to my base makeup, and for that I have this video over here.
Moisturize first, then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease. It's a technique that's
so freaking surprised, guys. This actually works, and I think this is amazing hack, especially for oily or combination skin people. I don't know about other skin type, but for oily skin type it is a great. Foundation is blended really well. So I'm gonna give this hack 10 out of 10 for doing this amazing thing to my face. I love how it looks and really blended well, doesn't look patchy. I love this hack, guys. 10 on 10. So guys, the next step is contouring. So now I'm really excited for this hack. Here is my bronzer, my spoon and my fork. So first of all, I'm gonna take this spoon to contour my face, and I'm doing just she has shown in her video, placing the spoon in that position and with the help of a brush just doing the contouring. After that, I'm gonna take a sponge beauty blender and just going round and round blending. After blending for 15 minutes, I have switched to this brush and it's still not working, guys. I'm really disappointed. The harsh line is still there and it's not getting blended. So I have give up to that hack, and now I'm doing nose contouring with the help of a fork. So this is really risky. I won't recommend to the girls who are under 18, and do it under your parents' supervision. And now I'm just going same with the sponge and blending it out. And guys, this again disappoints me. Look at that. What the hell is that? Not even doing it. So guys, here come the fourth hack. So this hack would be great for some beginner girls who just don't know how to make wing liners, and this is the most easiest hack ever. Just put some eyeliner on your bobby pin and place it like that. But what, it doesn't make even V, and I'm just figuring out. And now I am doing it by my own, which doesn't make sense. If this work has to do. Like if I have to do everything, then what is the use of the hack? So I don't know, the girl was doing something and the footage was only for 50 seconds. I think she did something behind the camera, but never mind, I'm just trying it again and I think this looks better than that. So I'm again making that one. Just practices, guys, it's not that difficult. But what the hell is this? Like using the hack, if I'm getting this results, then I'm never gonna use that hack. Maybe it might be that I am not able to do the hack properly, but what do you think, guys? Just do let me know in the comment box. Like for me, this hack is like totally a fail. So here comes the fifth hack.
Hi girls, today I'm going to be sharing my hack for a transfer proof lipstick. All you need is tissue paper, setting powder by Revolution, and this one's in color, and a brush. As simple as that. All you have to do is place your tissue paper on. Magic. All clear. Let me know how it went.
Really disappointed with this hack. I wasn't able to make my lipstick transfer proof, but yeah, this is how my makeup is, and really exhausted with this oily hair. So really need to do something for that. So next hack is,
I'm going to show you how to fix greasy hair without dry shampoo. Grab a loose powder and a big fluffy brush. Dip into your pot, dip onto your hair. Put it into sections, brush it out, and you're good to go.
so guys, here I'm struggling to take out that powder and it's now done. So I'm ready to just fix my oily greasy hair. And I just don't know the whole point of putting the powder on the scalp, because when I get greasy hair, then my hair even get oily and greasy, and I think it's just gonna fix the scalp. So for me, hair oily is like my hair get oily, and this is how it looks. I think you should be better judging it, guys. Let me know in the comment box what do you think. And I'm ready, guys. I'm ready using TikTok hack. My makeup is done, my hair is done. So yeah, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.